Hey boys and girls, hi! Welcome back to the channel. This is Ride with Ted. I am Ted. Welcome back. Guess what we got today, kids? Another poolside review. That's right, I promised you a poolside review, and now you're getting them. Poolside. Hope you're doing well. Hope you've been out riding. Hey, if you look, I'm wearing some jeans here. I'm wearing Tobacco Motorwear Riding Jeans. Check this out.
The Tobacco Motorwear Kevlar lined riding jeans made of 14-ounce raw denim, 100% DuPont Kevlar lining for abrasion protection, extra durable seams, breathable cool mesh upper lining. Now you can size up for a more relaxed look, or you can size down for that slimmer profile. They come with a zipper fly, and they're available in black and indigo, which is blue. Now they come in many styles, including the Archetype, the Ironsides Armored Jeans in indigo and black, and the Cabello Relaxed Fit Jeans, and finally the Riot Skinny Jeans. Tobacco Motorwear Riding Jeans. Super protection, they look great, super comfortable. I highly recommend you get yourself a pair of Tobacco Motorwear Kevlar lined riding jeans.
All right, so here's the thing. So Tobacco Motorwear and owner Dave Ackerman has been supporting the podcast and this channel now for nearly 8 years. I got these jeans about 6-7 years ago, and I've been wearing them on every ride that I do ever since. I have to tell you, of all of the motorcycle gear that I own, helmets, jackets, you name it, these jeans are my absolute favorite piece of gear that I wear for every single ride. And I'm serious when I say to you, I will not ride without these jeans. These jeans are extremely comfortable. And you have to know that because they are Kevlar lined, they're also heavy. So you got the protection, and it's worth it. I'm telling you, these jeans are absolutely fantastic. I wear them, like I said, all the time. They're very, very comfortable, extremely durable. If you watch the video on Dave's website, on the Tobacco Motorwear website, you'll see that Dave is getting dragged behind a motorcycle wearing these jeans. And that's just show how durable they are. Yeah, they got a little shredded, but I'll tell you what, it protected them, which is wonderful, which is what I like about these jeans. Now, I guess this is the point in the video where I have to go pros and cons. Pros, everything I just told you. They're extremely comfortable. They're very durable. They're great looking jeans. They really look good. What's there not to like about that? If I have to come up with a con, if there is any con at all to these jeans, it would be that they get a little warm in the summer months. That's about it. That's all I can say. That's the only con that I can think of. That's it. But these are wonderful jeans. I highly recommend these. There's a bunch of different companies out there that are producing Kevlar riding jeans, and pick and choose, you know, but as far as I'm concerned, these are the best you're gonna get. So do yourself a favor, get on over to Tobacco Motorwear, use the coupon code MOTOMEN when you order, get a pair of these jeans, tell them that Ride with Ted and Motorcycle Men Podcast sent you, and you'll get 10% off your order when you use the code MOTOMEN, all right? Your safety is worth it, boys and girls. Get out there, get in Dave's pants is what you gotta do. I've gotten in Dave's pants. Everybody on my podcast has gotten in Dave's pants. You gotta love it, all right? Thanks a lot for watching, kids. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Do that. It's great for the channel. It's also great for the podcast. And comment down below. I always respond to your comments. So please comment down below. And get out there and ride. Wear your Tobacco Motorwear Kevlar riding jeans. They come in multiple colors too, so don't forget, you get any color you want. Purple, green, yellow. No, I'm just kidding. You can only get blue and black. So whatever, like I said. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, kids. You can be safe out there. Peace out. Rock and roll. You're not wearing Kevlar riding jeans. Why? Well, you're gonna go swimming, you don't care. Norman just swims, he don't ride. Norman. It's just absolutely wonderful. I love them, they're comfortable, and I got a lawnmower out there still cutting grass. It's annoying the crap out of me. The fairway goes way further that way, so go down there. Of course they gotta cut the grass when I'm doing this, right? Of course. The only thing we need now is a low-flying aircraft to really round it out. The air conditioning unit shuts off, they start up. So Dave has been supporting the podcast now for 7 or 8. And if you've seen Dave's video where he's getting dragged behind a motorcycle, and there's the airplane I told you about was gonna be coming. Oh my God. If I have to come up with a time, it would be a lawnmower that keeps going by. It's a 200-yard par 3. How long do you think the fairway is? It's less than 200 yards.